Unit 1 Islamabad. 1. Write the names of the 4 provinces in the correct places on the map. 2. Write the name of the capital city of each province in the correct place on the map. Balochistan province and the capital city is Quetta. Islamabad capital territory and the capital city is Islamabad. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province and the capital city is Peshawar. Punjab province and the capital city is Lahore. Sindh province and the capital city is Karachi. Map of Islamabad. What I will learn. I will learn how to find places in Islamabad using grid squares. Shakar Parian. Rawal Town. Poultry farm. B. In which grid squares are these places? 1. Islamabad Zoo _C6. 2. President House E5. 3. Margala Town E3. 4. Quaid-i-Azam University F6. 5. Jinnah Stadium _D4. 6. National Institute of Health F4. 7. Shah Faisal Mosque B5. Complete the puzzle. Choose your answers from words in the box. 1. Urdu. 2. Islamabad. 3. Monsoon. 4. Leopard. 5. Shakar Parian. 6. President House. Potwar. 7. Rawalpindi. 8. Karang. 9. Rawal. 10. Margala. 11. Shah Faisal. Do you think we should look after leopards? Cross out the words you do not agree with. 1. I think we should look after leopards. 2. I think we should make safe places for leopards to live in. 3. I think we should tell lots of people that there are not many leopards left in the wild. 4. I think scientists should try to find ways to keep leopards safe. 5. I think people are just as more important than leopards. 6. Write one more sentence of your own about leopards. I think we should make a team to provide safety to leopards.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.